Okay, class, what is chapter 2 about? Okay, so let's start with the topics. Okay, so basically this topic, chapter 2, will be involving all the describing data. Okay, so meaning to say that you need to, how you're supposed to transform your data to be visible into the platform. Either you can have the bar chart, you can have the pie chart, you can have the Pareto diagram, and so on. Okay, so this is the part how you're supposed to describe your data and present your data visibly. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now tables here, let us just I just brief you in the things here. Okay, now most of the questions they will set okay, by following the above statement, please construct a frequency distribution table. Now, what is frequency distribution table? Okay, now first of all, you may need to have the variables involved. Okay, that is your variable x. Okay, so from here you can see in these questions is about type of employment students intends to engage in the companies involved. Okay, so type of employment. Okay, so after that you have number of students here. Now number of students here refers to the frequency. Okay, is it okay? So I repeat myself. This will be your variable x. This will be your frequency. Okay, so most likely this one you can look at this example. You have private, you have 45 federal, you have 15 state, you have 23, then on business you have 17. So your total up, then you have your summation. Okay, and one more thing, usually you can perform in this way also. Okay, this one means summation of f. Okay, because this is, as I said, this is the frequency column. Okay, so how does this come in? Okay, so you look at the example here. Okay, a sample was taken of 25 high school seniors who were planning to go to the college. Each of the students was asked which of the following majors he or she intended to choose: business, economics, management, information system, behavior sciences, and others. The response of the students are as follow. Okay, now first of all of the total here numbers here will be allocated as will be total of 25. Okay, so how you're supposed to construct? You see, question said construct a frequency distribution table for the data above. Okay, usually this will give you at least 2 marks here. So how? So I already built out a table here. Okay, first of all, you need to name the subjects involved, then number of students. Now, one more careless mistake students did. They will always put NO like this. NO dot students. Okay, please don't do that. Okay, please don't do that. NO means no. Okay, please write down the full word, that is numbers. Is it okay? Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so just name it all the basic subjects that you have. Okay, so here, how many BS here? So 1, 2. Okay, you have 2. Okay, business 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Economics 1, 2, 3, 3. MIS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 also. Okay, others 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 here. 7. Okay, so your total up is 25 or not? If your answer is more than that or less than 25, so means that they have some careless mistake in between. Okay, so your total up. Okay, so 2 add up with 6, add up with 3, add up with 6, add up with 7. Okay, oops, can see or not? 2, 6, 3, 6. Okay, there are one more. Oh, you see, others are missing here. They have an others one more. So they have 8 here. Okay, they have 8 here. Okay, it's supposed to be 8. Okay, so total you will have 25. Okay, second question said construct a tally chart. Okay, so how? Tally chart is this. Okay, BS is 2, business is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, economics is 1, 2, 3. So when you have a 5, that will have a bundle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so others 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, a bundle of 5. Okay, so far so good. Okay, now another part that is they may ask you about or to construct a relative frequency or percentage distribution. Now, this is the thing that students may always confuse about this. Okay, so what's relative frequency? Okay, pretty simple. Relative frequency is to get the frequency involved divide with the summation of all the frequencies involved. Okay? Okay, percentage, you just need to multiply the answers that you have for the relative frequency, you multiply with 100 to get the percentage. Okay, so how does it go? Okay, let me share with you. Okay, same thing here. So I just use the same data 26368. Okay, oops. Okay, you have 26368. Okay, so how do you have your relative frequency then? Okay, how? Okay, so you will have 2 divide with 25 because you must understand that, you must understand that your total frequency is 25. Okay, so you have 2 divided by 25. Is it okay? 2 divided by 25. You have 0.08. Okay, this will be 6 divided by 25. Okay, please show out your solution. Okay, so 6 divided by 25. Okay, you have 0.24. 3 divided by 25. 0.12. 6 divided by 25. 0.24. 8 divided by 25. 25, you have 0.32. Okay, show out the solution, please. Okay, so how do you get the percentage? You just multiply with 100. So you have 8%, you have 24%, you have 12%, 24, 32. So your total up, is it 100? So 8 add up with 24, add up with 12, 24, add up with 32. So total of 100. So it's correct. Okay, so that's the overall about frequency table. Okay, frequency table is whereby you have your variable x with your variable in your frequency. Relative frequency is to get the particular frequency divide with the sum of your frequency. Percentage relative frequency is to multiply 100 with your relative frequency that you obtain respectively. So that's overall pictures between these 3 tables.